In this video, I'll demo the Security Copilot Vulnerability Remediation Agent in Microsoft Intune. The agent uses data from Microsoft Defender Vulnerability Management to identify common vulnerabilities and exposures, or CVEs, on your managed devices. It then prioritizes the results for remediation and includes step-by-step instructions to guide you in using Intune to remediate the threats. Let's walk through the process of setting up the agent in Intune. From the homepage, select Agents. Under Vulnerability Remediation Agent, select View Details. In Overview, select Set Up Agent. Be sure to review the details listed to ensure you have the necessary requirements in place. Select Start Agent to close this pane and run the agent. Now that the agent is set up and has completed running, let's explore the Vulnerability Remediation Agent pane. The Overview page is where you can view the agent's current status, the top prioritized vulnerabilities it has identified, and recent agent activity records. The agent's status is shown by various tiles, such as the Agent is available and the About this agent tiles. They detail whether the agent is available and its current run status. Under the Agent Suggestions section, you can see a short list of the top vulnerabilities that should be addressed. The Activity section tracks the current and past run activity of the agent. The Overview page only shows a few suggestions at a time. The full list is available by selecting the Suggestions tab. Here you can find the full list of suggestions that the agent has identified and prioritized for you. You can use the search bar and add filters to find specific suggestions. Aside from the suggested next steps, which tells you what action needs to be taken, the Suggestions tab also shows the remediation type, such as an application or operating system. The impact value shown is the potential impact to your exposure score once the suggestion has been implemented. The Exposed Devices column lists the number of devices affected by the specific vulnerability. By default, a reported vulnerability has its status set to Not Applied. Intune admins can mark suggestions as applied after implementing remediation. And finally, the Last Applied column shows the date and time when the remediation guidance was marked as applied. The Settings tab shows existing details about the current configuration of the agent. Now that we've gotten the lay of the land, let's go through what it's like to work on a suggested action. I'll select a suggestion that hasn't been remediated yet to use as an example. When you select a suggestion, the Suggested Action pane opens. The Factors section provides details about the associated vulnerabilities for Intune managed devices. The Actions to Take section lists step-by-step guidance on how to remediate the identified threat. The Configuration section will show available settings from the Intune settings catalog, if any are available. And lastly, the References section will point you to applicable information if you want to learn more. After you have reviewed the agent's suggestions and have applied the recommended remediations, you can select Mark as Applied to confirm the remediation is complete and to track when it was implemented. At the bottom of the pane, you can see a summary of the suggestion details. This section also includes the option for you to export the list of exposed devices to a CSV file. Recommendations marked as Applied stay in the Agent Suggestions list and serve as a baseline for future runs, allowing you to compare new results and changes for the same vulnerability over time. The Vulnerability Remediation Agent in Intune uses AI-powered analysis to identify and prioritize vulnerabilities across your managed devices, providing step-by-step remediation guidance through the Intune Admin Center. To learn more, visit aka.ms/learnvra. Microsoft Security.